Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done what true definition of irrational numbers, and one more things, how can locate irrational number on a number line. I think easily you understood that this exercise given in exercise also, I think no problem. So we can start. If you are having any problem, discuss with me. Send your problem through WhatsApp. Now next is real number and their decimal expansion. Actually I want to tell third definition of irrational number also to you. So real number and their decimal expansion. I am taking an example like this 1 by 3. If you can divide this 1 by 3, so you know what's coming. 1 again this 9, again this 9. So 3 repeating, and its remainder is never 0. So this type of fraction or this type of real number is known as what? Non-terminating. Actually there are two types of real number. One is terminating. One is terminating and other is non-terminating. Real numbers. Non-terminating real numbers. So what are terminating and what are non-terminating? I am telling terminating real number. If any fraction you can take like this 3 by 5, or you can say if numerator is divided by denominator, then after finite number of steps, if remainder is 0, then it is called terminating. Otherwise called it non-terminating. Example of terminating, there are so many examples. 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 10, 4 by 20 are the example of terminating real number, you can say. Non-terminating, I am taking one example like this 1 divided by 2, decimal here 0, here also this. It is actually like this, 1 is divided by 2, 2 zeros are 0, then decimal 0, 1, 0 coming, 2 5 ja 10. So remainder after 1 or 2 step, what's 0? So this is known as a terminating type of real number. Non-terminating, opposite of its, after finite number of steps remainder is not 0, then it is called non-terminating. Non-terminating divided into 3 parts, this is non-terminating. Divided into 3 parts. One is repeating, other is reoccurring, and third one is not repeating, not reoccurring. Repeating example is 1 by 3. In starting telling you 1 divided by 3, 3 zeros are 0, 1, 3 threes are 9, again 1, 3 threes are 9, again 1, 3 threes are 9, again 1. So 3 is repeating. Reoccurring example you can take 1 by 7. What's example? 1 by 7, 1 divided by 7. 7 zeros are 0, put 0, 10. 7 ones are 7. How much? 3, again 0. 7 fours are 28, again 2. 7 twos are 14. How much left? 6. 7 eights are 56. How much left? 4. 7 fives are 35. 7 sevens are 49. 1 left. Again 7 ones are 7. Again how much? 3. So again repetition start 4, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Again like this. It's non-terminating, but after finite number of steps, same digits start repeating. So this is saying reoccurring after finite number of steps. And third one is what? Third one is which is non-repeating, non-reoccurring. Example you can take like this 0.1. Example, what example? Example under root 2 you can take. Its value not satisfying these two conditions. So this type of number is under root 3, under root 7, under root 5, or you can say like this 0.101001001. 4 times 0, then 1. Like this type of number is which are non-terminating, non-repeating, non-reoccurring. So these 3 types given. Now I want to tell the definition of one more definition of irrational number. One more definition of irrational number. That's important. The real number which are non-terminating. Non-terminating mean remainder is not 0 after finite number of steps, and non-repeating and non-reoccurring are known as what? Irrational number. is known as irrational number. Example under root 2. I want to tell one more topic about how can you decide it is a rational number and it is a irrational number. Like this. This is a bag of real number. What's bag of real number? It's contain two type of number. What? Rational number and irrational number. Same way, you know, like this. This is a bag of real number. What? Real numbers. Understood? And divide into two groups. Terminating and non-terminating. Terminating and non-terminating. So all real number which are of terminate after finite of number of steps are what? Rational number. What are rational number? Now what about non-terminating? Non-terminating is this part, and this part is again divided into how many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. One is repeating, another is reoccurring, another is reoccurring, and this is non-repeating, non-reoccurring. So these also rational number. What are rational number? Reoccurring also rational number. What are rational number? And only these are irrational number. So this is the complete about what? Example of irrational number, you know, on root 2, on root 3, on root 5, on root 5, on root 7, on root 11. There are so many examples, so easily you can understand. So now easily you can understand how can you decide this is a rational or irrational. Easily you can check. If then also don't understand, discuss with me. Try to understand this. Now by an example I want to tell. Like this, you know, 0.333 continue like this. Way of rewriting is 0.3 bar. Its meaning is also 0.33333. Next question in your mind like this, 1/3 given, and this is equal to 0.33333 continue going on, and is equal to, we are saying this is equal to this. How can we express this in this form? If in this form given, how can we express this in the form of rational number, or you can say in the form of P by Q? So I am telling to you, so you can say like this, this is given, express 0.333 in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. So you can say like this, let x is equal to 0.333 like this, and this is equal to what? 0.3 bar. Therefore x is equal to 0.3 bar? Yes or no? So bar on how many numbers? Only on one number, that is 3. So you can multiply this with what? 10. So what's become? This is your equation number first. Multiplying equation first with 10, we get what? Get 10, and this what's become 3.3 bar. Yes or no? This is 10x is equal to 3.3 bar. So this you can write 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.3 bar. What's the value of this? From first x, putting the value of x is equal to 0.3 bar in second, we get what's become 10x is equal to 3 plus x. X bring in this side, 10x minus x is equal to 3. Yes or no? This 9x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 9. This implies x is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the first example given. Example number what? 7th given in your book. Remaining you can solve. Example number 8, 9, and then in tomorrow lecture I can tell you about the how can find out the irrational number between the two rational number. So you can do this type of how many question? At least 5 to 10 question, and solve exercise also. Exercise up to here. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, 7 also, 8th need not, and 9th also. So only one question left in it, that I can tell you in next lecture. So beta, stay at home, do your work properly. Thank you all of you.